set of, okay, set, like in board exam also, like few students have got set A, set B, set C. So it's just nothing but just a collection, right? Here also in mathematics, set means collection only. But when we are talking about set in mathematics, we call it a well-defined collection. It has to be such a well-defined collection that, suppose anybody will just give a statement about about collection of anything, and yeah, everyone will get it. Just like set of natural number, the moment I am saying natural number, you will understand, yeah, it starts from 1. Okay, and then all the counting number after that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and till infinity, those are natural numbers. So if I am saying collection of natural number, you are getting a proper, okay, proper arrangement of that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, okay, here when we are talking about set, it has to be a well-defined collection. Well-defined collection. For example, set of vowels. So it is, the picture is clear in our mind that A will be there, E will be there, I will be there, O will be there, and U will be there. How well-defined it is. You think about it. I am saying set of vowels, anybody. Okay, a person is sitting in US, they will understand. Okay, vowels means these five, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Similarly, if we will say set of consonants, everyone will understand that what are consonants. Just leaving these alphabets, we will have all the remaining. Those are consonants. Now, if we will say set of all alphabet in English, so all A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P till Z. Okay, these are the set of all alphabet. So it has to be well defined. Again, this part is really important. Suppose I am saying that set of my favorite books, set of my favorite books. So in mathematics, that is not set, because my favorite book, you don't know what are the books I like. Okay, what are the writers I prefer. Okay, so you don't like I mean, you don't know about anything about my favorite books. That's not well defined. Here, when we are talking about set, it has to be a well defined collection. If it is not well defined, we will say it is not set. If it is well defined, then only we will say, yeah, it's a set. Okay, so if you are telling me set of, or maybe a collection of 10 best player, 10 best cricket player, okay, in world, so those are not well defined collection. Why? Because according to you, best cricketers can be different. According to me, best cricketers can be different. According to our Google, okay, according to Google, best cricketers can be different. So it depends, okay, upon person to person, it is changing. So it is not well defined collection, hence not a set. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, when we are talking about set, it has to be a well defined, such a well defined that everybody, anybody, whoever will just read the statement, they will be able to understand, and everybody will give the same answer. Same answer means, even though I am saying vowel and the person is telling me U is there, E is there, maybe A is there, then I is there, then uh, O is there, that is also well defined. Okay, here order doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. If you are writing A first, then E, then I, then O, then U, or maybe you are writing O U first, then E, then A, then I, then O. Order doesn't matter. Yeah, just the element needs to be same. So A, okay, E, I, O, U. These two are same set. So while writing the set, we will not get worried about the order. But yeah, we will, here the element needs to be same. If the collection is well defined, that is a set. And if we are having a set, everyone will give the same answer. While giving the answer, your order can be here and there, but element needs to be same. We represent the set by using the capital letter, maybe A, maybe B, maybe X, maybe Y, maybe Z. or maybe anything, any capital letter we will be using for representing the set. And to write the collection, we'll be using curly bracket. We will be using curly bracket to write the collection. So if we are having this bubble, we will be using curly bracket. We will write our element A, E, I, O, U, or maybe the above one which I was writing here and there. And I said this is also completely fine. And these two are okay. This one and this one exactly same set we are having. So you can understand by giving comma, 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 we will write the element of the set. Okay, we call it member of the set or element of the set, and we just give commas and write the collection. While writing the collection, order can be here and there. If we are having this is a set A and that is a set B, we will say set A and set B are exactly same. It is same set. Getting it? So far, any
Yes, ma'am.
confusion, Neha?
No.
Okay. Now now we understood set means in mathematics it has to be a well defined collection. Now we understood that we'll be representing it by using the curly bracket. We understood that while writing the set, while writing the collection, the elements can be here and there, doesn't matter at all. Now when we are having a set, suppose we are I am having a set A having some natural number, okay, from 1 to 10. So we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now we will be saying there is a representation. We say that 1 is the element of set A. This means element of set A, or maybe this means belongs to. This symbol is very first time you are saying this symbol. This means element of, or maybe this means belongs to. So we can write 1 belongs to A. We can write 2 belongs to A. We can write 3 belongs to A. Okay, or 4 is the element of A. We can write 5 is the element of A. Now if I will ask that what about 11, is it an element of A or not? So you will say it's not the element. It's not the element. The way we write is not equals to. Similarly, we can write it doesn't belongs to. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will get such question in your exercise that you are having a collection. Let's say a set you are having X, where the elements are A, B, C, D, E. Now fill in the blanks by using this sign or maybe this sign. Now I'll write A dash X. Then the next one will be E dash X. Now the next one will be F dash X. Now the next one will be C dash X. So we will write accordingly. If it is the element of set, we will write the belongs to sign. If it is not the element of set X, then we will write not belongs to X. Okay. So let's do it. So first one, A is the member of X. Yeah, it is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will write belongs to sign. Then the next one, just a moment.
Belongs.
Yeah, it belongs to. Next one, third one,
Does not belong to.
it doesn't belong. Okay, F is not there in the given set, so we will write it does not belongs to it. C belongs to X. Okay, so I am opening the first exercise from your book. Let's do few question over there. First few question will be belongs to, not belongs to, or maybe, okay, let's say statement will be there and we will be seeing whether the given statement is representing a well defined collection. If it is representing a well defined collection, then we will say yeah, it's a set. Otherwise we will say it's not a set. Or if there will be statement like this, that collection of boys of your of class 11, collection of boys of class 11. So even though I don't know, okay, who are the boys in your class, but still if anyone will hand over the register, I will be able to make the list, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a well defined collection. Why we are saying it well defined? Because anybody in this world will not be able to write the same thing. Yeah, they will be able to write the same thing, but if they will get to know who have registered for class 11. So it's not about the well defined collection, it's about we don't, if we don't have that much information about the topic, we need to be, okay, we need to get to know the topic well. Then can we make a collection, a well defined collection? Yes. Okay, if from anyone I am asking that can you tell me what is the set of integers, if the person may be not able to recall what is integer, and is not able to declare whether it is set or not, so that depends on the knowledge. But set of integer is proper well defined collection. We know zero, we know when we have to represent the set of integer, we will be writing it this way. Zero will be there, okay, plus minus 1 will be there. In class 10, in quadratic equation chapter, you have seen for the very first time that together we can write plus minus. That is nothing but plus 1 is also there, minus 1 is also there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if this way we write the set of integer, plus 1 minus 1 is there, similarly plus 2 minus 2 is there, similarly plus minus 3 is there, similarly plus minus 4 is there, similarly plus minus 5 is there, and then dot dot dot. This is a well defined collection. Everyone is going to write the same thing. Order doesn't matter, numbers can be written here and there, doesn't matter at all, those are the same set. So let me before just going to solve and the questions from the book, let me introduce you few well defined collection about the numbers which we already know. So the first is set of natural number. We will be representing it with capital letter N. As you know, set we will be representing with a capital letter, and this N is already from the beginning only. When you are learning natural number, you know N is decided for natural number. Here also we will be using capital letter N for natural number. Okay, how to write this
Okay.
collection? Same way, curly bracket, 1 will be there, 2 will be there, 3 will be there, and then so many more numbers are there, so we can write at least 3 dots. That means this set is just keep on going and keep on going and keep on going till infinity. Getting it?
Yes.
set of set of whole number, here also the same thing, no changes, nothing. Okay, capital W we will be taking this one always to represent the set of whole number. 0 will be there, 1 will be there, 2 will be there, 3 will be there, and then dot 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 will be there. This is a well defined collection, hence a set. Set of
Yes.
integer just now I have written, you can write it with capital letter Z, no changes. You have already seen these things in class 10 in chapter 1. Now set of rational number, we represent it with capital Q. That too you know already. Okay, and set of rational number, we are not able to write it properly. Yeah, it is a well defined collection, we can represent rational numbers on the number line. Okay, we understand that what are the rational numbers, and since there are infinitely many, that's why proper sequence we are not writing. Okay, but it is a well defined collection, it is a well defined collection on number line. Okay, all the numbers are sitting over there. Natural number is there, whole number is there, integer is there, rational number is there, all the real numbers are there, and hence we say these are all well defined collection. Capital R is for set of real number. And what about irrational number? We don't have any proper sign for irrational number. We just say that from the set of real number, if we will subtract the rational number, we will be getting irrational number. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are well-defined collection. If you are thinking that, but we are not able to write the rational number, how can we say it is well-defined? It is well-defined since the elements are infinite. That's why we are not writing it properly. But anyone, okay, will write this way, that maybe 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, and then all the decimal numbers are also there, 3 by 2, 5 by 3. Since so many infinite possibilities are there, that's why a systematic way we are not able to write. But set can accept here and there element, that is completely fine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are some well defined collection which you already know.
Hmm.
Now let me open the book, just give me few moments.
Ma'am, which book are you opening?
Yeah, what?
Ma'am, which book? Which textbook?
What's
Ma'am, which textbook?
Yeah, I'm opening the book and the chapter is 5 sets.
No, ma'am, which textbook?
In which textbook you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Your textbook, you are from applied mathematics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So which textbook you are following? We have few applied mathematics student. I'm opening the book in front of you. Please tell me, you also following the same book or you are following any different book? Just a moment, let me open a book. Do you know which book you are following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me open the book and please tell me, is it this one? Is it this one?
Ma'am, it's on the screen.
This one, right?
No.
Yeah, we have some student of applied mathematics. They too are using the same book. They have also done logarithms and all at first.
Ma'am, this isn't the textbook.
Okay, it's unit 5. I think so. Let me check. Yeah, yes, set theory.
Ma'am, this is not my textbook.
This is, can you please tell me which writer's book you are using?
ML Agarwal and Neeraj Raj Jain.
Is it possible for you to send the first page snap to our operation team?
I don't have my device now.
Okay. Okay, I will ask the team to connect with you and to get the book. But even if the book are different, see, we are having few students are there who are using NCRT curriculum. Few students are there who are using this one for applied mathematics, and you are using different book. But in all the books, said this chapter is same. Okay, the type of question can be different, but the logic, the concept, everything is same. So we can see some question over here. You can open in your book set theory chapter. Set theory chapter is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can open in your book, or maybe after the class you can open the same chapter in your book. You will be able to understand everything. Whatever I was explaining over here, you will be getting it.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, this example, let's do it first. These. Okay. So the method which we are using to represent the set, the curly bracket. This is called roster form to represent the set. Okay, this is, there are two ways to represent the set. Just the way you are having English alphabet, there are two ways to write it: capital letter, small letter. Okay, we can write A like this, we can also write A like this. Similarly, there are two ways to represent the sets: one by using the curly bracket, and another also we are having. Another one I'll be showing you later on, but at first we'll be using this curly bracket, and the name of this method is called roster form. R-O-S-T-E-R, roster form to represent the set. You can see in the here instruction part, it is written, write each of the following set in roster form. That means statement is there, decode it, and then write it by using the curly bracket. Making sense, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's write it one by one. A, the first one, it's written that set of all factor of 24. In class 10, first chapter was all about factors, multiples, okay, composite number, prime number. So factor is not a new thing for you. You already know factors really well. Factors of 24, all the factors we understand. One is one of the factor of 24. Then 2 can also divide 24 completely. 3 can also divide 24 completely. 4, okay, 5 no. 6 can also divide 24 completely. 7 no. 8, yes, 8 can also divide 24 completely. 9, 10, 11, 12 can divide 24 completely. And after this, I think, yeah, directly 24 will divide 24 completely. We are supposed to write it in roster form, so we will just write everything in the curly bracket. And the name of this set is capital letter A. We will write it this way. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have done, we have made a collection, a well-defined collection, you can see. Okay, anybody, from anyone you
Yes,
will ask, please write the set of factors of 24. Everyone will write the same thing. Right, Neha?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now for now, let me show you number 3. Okay, set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Whenever we are writing the set of word, okay, I mean set of letters we have to write. T is there, R is there, I is there, G is there, O is there, N is there, O is there, okay, M is there, E is there, T is there, R is there, Y is there. These are all the letters in this word trigonometry, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But while writing the set, okay, repetition doesn't, okay, we don't have to repeat any element again and again. Even if it is coming again and again, we will be writing it only one time. So this curly bracket is just like a machine. You will put it all the letters, and the moment you will do repetition, it will reject it. Okay, so
Okay.
we will be writing everything over here, but not repetition. So yeah, we'll be making the set like this. T will be there, R will be there, I will be there. By giving comma comma comma, we are writing just the letters used in this word. Okay, G will be there, O will be there, then N will be there, then another O I'm not going to write because already O we have written. Then M, yeah, M is not there, will be writing. Then E, yes, of course, E will be writing. Then T, no. Then R, no. Y, yeah, getting it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the rules we are learning, which we need to follow over here. Now the second one, B is the set of all integers lying in between this and that. Integers lying in between minus 3 by 2. If you will convert minus 3 by 2 in decimal, you will be getting minus 1.5. And 11 by 2, if you will convert in decimal, you will be getting 5.5. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll be having a number line where minus 1.5, 5.5. In between these numbers, whatever integer comes, you have to take those integer which comes in between these two. So you can understand Minus 1 will be there, 0 will be there. Okay, 1 will be there, 2 will be there, 3 will be there, 4 will be there, 5 will be there. Right, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you can see how well defined it is. I am trying to show you every time that it is really well defined. From anyone you will ask that please write write integers in between minus 3 by 2 and 11 by 2, and everybody will write the same set, same collection, right?
Mm. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is so well defined. Let's do the next part. Now the another way to write the set also we are having, but first let me check. Now example 1, can you see it, Neha?
Yes,
Example
ma'am.
1 over here. Okay, just now we have done that if a set A we are having containing element 1, 2, 3, 4, and if another set we are having containing element 3, 1, 4, 2, then we understand, okay, each and every elements are same. You can see 1 is here, 1 is there, 2 is here, 2 is there, 3 is here, 3 is also there, 4 is here, 4 is there. That means A and B are same set, equal set, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's called equal set. Now they can give you this type of questions as well to you, that this set, that set, please check it, those are equal or not. Just a moment. Now element of set can be a set also. Okay, we are having a collection. I'm giving you a collection that the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, and again a different collection is sitting over here containing 1 comma 2, maybe it's just a moment, 11 and 21. Yeah, so element of a set can be a set as well. I don't need to give the declaration that from where I have given this collection to you. Okay, I can give in the curly bracket, I can give you anything from a, just abcd I can give you, or maybe just 1 2 3 I can give you, or maybe whatever I want I can give you the collection. Okay, so if I will give you this collection and I am asking you, is 1 the element of set A, you will say yeah, it's true. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me tell you, here 1 is the element of a set A, 2 is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
element of a set A, 3 is the element of set A, 4 is the element of set A. Okay, 2 is the element of this set, 3 is the element of this set, 4 is the element of this set, and then this collection is the element of this set. You cannot take out 11 and 12 separate, you cannot separate them. It's a collection, and that collection is present, that is the element of A. This way we can write it. So a set can be the element of another set. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 11 comma 21 is another different set, and that can be the element of A. It's just like, have you seen such setup where just there is a fair. Okay, a fair is there. A fair is there, and in that fair, so many pavilions are there. Maybe India is there, then America is there, okay, Australia is there, South Korea is there. Have you seen
Mm.
such fair?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have seen, right? So it's, and there are some local shops as well. Maybe just there, the moment you entered the fair, there is a local shop selling selling saffrons. It's just a particular shop, not a pavilion, a shop selling saffron. And there is another shop selling dates. Okay, there is another shop, maybe selling selling maybe anything. Okay, it is selling hairband. Okay, so we have reached in such a fair that these are the setup. There are some local shops, people who are just who have set the created the local things shop. That is the particular separate shops, and then we are having pavilions as well. Okay, there are some coffee shops as well. Okay, some cake shop as well. So this is a setup. Now why I'm giving you example of this setup, because this complete, the fair is a set, the fair is a set, the whole fair, it's the collection, and inside that collection you can see a pavilion having the name India, you can see a pavilion having the name Australia, you can see a pavilion having the name America, and you can see some extra elements as well, a saffron shop. Okay, date shop. Okay, so can you see the element can be just one element or it can be a pavilion as well. Now if India, maybe India, the pavilion India is selling the selling so many things. Maybe they are selling shawls. Do you know what is shawl?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so maybe they are selling shawl, maybe they are selling purse. Okay, but if you will ask that does it belong to the fair, so the fair person will say I don't know, I don't know. Okay, because that is the element of India. That element cannot be the element. If you will say that shawl belong to fair or not, shawl belongs to fair or not, so fair will say no, it doesn't belong. Why? Because this is the element of this pavilion. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will show this pavilion as it is and you will ask this pavilion belongs to you or not, so they will say yeah, this pavilion belongs to me, it is my element. So if you are having a collection inside a collection and that collection is containing 2 comma 3, okay, and you will ask X that 2 is your element or not, X will say no, it's not my element. You will say 3, what about 3? 3 is your element. X will say no, it's not my element. But as it is, when you will show the pavilion by writing 2 comma 3 and will ask X that is it your element, X will say oh yes, it is my element. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have to, this is just, this is the confusing part where I have seen sometimes a student don't understand that why we are saying that 2 is not belongs to X, 3 does not belongs to X, but we say this curly bracket inside 2 and 3 that belongs to X, because that is a collection. Okay, that as it is you will show the pavilion, it will say yeah, it belongs to me. But if you will take out the elements from there, they don't know what they are selling. Okay, the fair person, the just the committee who have organized the fair, they doesn't know what India is selling. Okay, if you will take out the stuff from India, they will say no, I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, so that's what is
Mm.
happening over here. Now if you understood this part, let me show you a few questions related to this one, and this time I'm just taking the question from different book. Okay, next day we will be solving all the questions from your book. Today you will be able to relate with the set theory chapter from your book. Okay, everywhere, whatever book you are following, the concept actually it is exactly same. Okay, at last you will like once I will cover everything. I have taken the first few part. Once I will cover everything, you will see that yeah, you are able to solve all the questions. And from the next class I'll open your book also on the screen so that we can discuss each and every question together. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Uh,
Just give me a moment. I'm just showing you those type of questions which we discussed.
okay.
First, we will do these questions. Which of the following are sets? Okay, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter Z. Okay, J. Can we write all the month beginning with J? Yeah, we can write January. Okay,
Mm.
February, March, April, May. No, June, July.
July.
Anything else?
No.
This is a well-defined collection, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So which of the following are set? Of course, number one is set. It is set, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, the collection of 10 most talented writer. This is not set
It's
because
not a set.
talented writer, as I said, it can differ according to person, their choices, okay, their preferences. So it is not a set. Yeah, it can be a collection, but it is not a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen. This is not okay. Batsman, it can be differ. It is not mandatory that who have played well in this, like one of the match will always play really well. It is not mandatory, right? You must have seen when while watching cricket, you must have observed that few player, they are giving their best today and are able to perform better, but maybe in another match they are not able to perform that better, right?
Mm.
Okay, so best means what? Always best? That is not possible for a human being. Okay, so this is not a well defined collection. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it can differ person to person. My choice, your choice, everyone's choice can be different. The collection of all boys in your class, yeah, this is a set because I am not aware about the topic really well. But if you will show me the list of the if you will hand over the register, I will be able to answer. If I will hand over the register to anybody in this world, they will be able to answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if our knowledge is not accurate, so that is the okay fault of knowledge. But it can be a set. Once we will get to know about the that particular topic, the subset, then can we call it set? Yes, then can we call it set. The collection of all natural number less than 100, it is a well defined collection, right, Neha?
Mm, yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone will say that yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your collection can be really big. really huge, really huge. It doesn't matter at all. If we are saying that all natural number, that is a set, then till 100, before 100, less than 100, of course that is a set, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The collection of novel written by writer Munshi Premchand. I'm not aware about this topic, but if anybody will give me the list from beginning till end, okay, in his life, whatever books he has written, then I will be able to create a set, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because a
It,
writer can write
yeah.
maybe 10 book, maybe 20 book, maybe 100 book, maybe 1000 book, maybe 2000 book in their life, right? But we will be able to make the collection, right? A well defined collection. Next, the collection of all even integer. Okay, so we can write integers, that is plus minus 2, plus minus 4. Okay, these are integers as well as even. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the so this one is set. Any confusion so far, Neha?
No, ma'am. So far, no.
So number 8, the collection of questions in this chapter. We will be able to make a list. Okay, in this chapter we can make the list of questions. Next, it is a well defined collection, hence a set. Next, a collection of most dangerous animal. Dangerous animal can be different for you, can be different for me, can be different for anybody, right?
Mm.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so dangerous animal collection, that can differ person to person, hence we are not able to create the accurate list, and hence we are not able to call it a set. Now you can see here we have to insert this sign or maybe this sign. It is really simple. I am just moving ahead to show you the part which I wanted to show you. Just a moment. Just a moment. Yeah, here. Just can you see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
You can clearly see, Neha, that
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is a set given to you containing element 1, 2, and then a pavilion is there, right?
Brilliant.
Okay, 5 is there. So we will be doing question number 2. We will be doing question number 4. We will be doing question number 7. Okay. And yeah, only these. Let's do it. So we will say this as it is, this pavilion belongs to A. We just have to write true or false. So yeah, it is true, right?
Mm.
Just a moment. Yeah, the next one, number 4. If 1 belongs to A or not, 1 is the element of A or not. So yeah, 1 is the element of A, right, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
It is true. And the 7 one, there is a collection, there is a pavilion. Okay, whatever be the element, these are the element. Is it the element of A? Is it the element of A? This type of pavilion, can you see in A? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No, we cannot see. Can
But
we? We will say 1 is the element of A separately. A separate
oh,
shop
there
is,
needs to be another bracket.
yeah, okay.
Okay.
There is just the curly bracket is there, just representing that it is a pavilion, but there is no such pavilion, right?
Mm.
Okay. We can say there is a separate shop shelling 1. Okay, 1 is the element of A. There is a separate shop for 2. That is the element of A. Now there is a pavilion. That is the element of A. And the separate 5, that is the element of A. Only this we can write, but we cannot write a collection containing 1 2 5. That is the element of A, even though the you will think that 1 is there, 2 is there, 5 is there. Why we are selling it is not? Because it is representing, this collection is the element of A. Element means each terms, that only you can write with this sign. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when you are using this sign, this symbol, we have to be really 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 specific. If you are writing A E I O U and you are creating a set X, so you can write A belongs to X, you can write B belongs to X. No, not B. A E I O U, I said no. A E I O U. So you can say E belongs to X, I belongs to X, O belongs to X, U belongs to X. If inside your set there are so many sets, okay, if you're inside the set you are having 1 2 and then a set is there containing 3 5, then again a set is there containing 7 8. So this, you will say 1 is the element of A, 2 is the element of A, this collection 3 and 5 is there, that is the element of A. That collection containing 7 8, that is the element of A. With this symbol we'll have to be really